Okay, here we go. Just got my mouse, my Logitech G3 Pro that I just bought from ZA Computers. I think it's the prices are pretty much the same for this one, the X3 and also the X11, I think. But this one comes with a charger, which is important. You need a charger for a wireless mouse to be available at all times. Time to cut it open. So I kind of don't want to damage the box, so I'm just gonna kind of cut right between. And just like use my hands afterwards. So, or is this knife fucking? Oh, okay, I got it. I gotta damage the box a little bit, but it is what it is. I'll use my hands now. Okay. There we go. It's an iPhone 17 Pro. Come out, man. Shit's... Okay, I got it. Okay, so here we go. Logitech G3 Pro. Now the good thing about this mouse is that it has the exact shape of the one that I'm currently using, which is the... Wait, why am I saying Logitech? It's not Logitech, it's Attack Shark G3 Pro. So, Attack Shark right here. But it has the same mold of the Logitech G102 that I'm using right now. So it's gonna fit perfectly in my hands. And I know, I was really confident with this mouse because I can hold it properly. So this one's gonna be the same because the mold is the same. But it's wireless and it has the charger, which basically lets you put in the 2.4 gigahertz or whatever it's called, the wireless thingy, close to your desk, right? And it also charges close to your mouse and it charges it as well. So that's a good thing about that. The one thing I'm kind of confused about, it looks white. I ordered the black one, so let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. Oop. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, so the first thing I just got greeted with is the charger, and it is black. Ooh, it's got a weight to it. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty. So there, this is where the 2.4 gigahertz thing goes, and this is basically what charges your thing. And I'm pretty sure I'll get the mouse now. Here we go. Ooh. And okay, so that's pretty much it. And then there's some, I believe these are some grips. Oh my god. These are some grips that you can put on the mouse. So they give you extra grips, which is a good thing. And it seems like there's a manual, which some stickers from Attack Shark. That's nice. And a manual. Oh my god. They give you a lot of stickers actually. So 2 kinds of stickers and some grips. So I'm not gonna touch these for now because I don't know what the mouse will feel like without the grips. If it's gonna feel okay, then I probably won't put it on. Save it for maybe future. when maybe the texture goes bad, because it does happen with mice, I've noticed. Okay, I got it. So here's the box. That was the experience. Now let me show you guys. So this is the cable. It's a braided Type A to Type C cable, which is it's pretty premium, and it's got a grip on it, a Velcro grip. I don't know what it's called, but here's the cable. Here's the charging thing that I've already showed you guys, and it has RGB, Fusion RGB, so that's nice. And here's the mouse. So here's the mouse. It's got like a matte black finish. It's pretty light, which is nice. These are the skates on it, which is pretty good shape. Okay, I think you have to remove these right here. There's a sticker on it. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Okay, so just wanted to quickly show you guys the mouse in and of itself. I think I had the recording on, but I couldn't, it wasn't visually clear to see. So here's the mouse on the desk. It's very light, which is a nice thing. The mold, as you guys can see, it's Logitech G102 exactly, even the button placement, but it's lighter, I would say, and the clicks are pretty nice. The mouse wheel has a nice texture on it, and it's pretty like it doesn't require a lot of force, you know. The button clicks are pretty nice, and here's the skates. Pretty nice surface area, which should be very smooth, and it feels smooth, to be honest. Initial impressions. Here's the button for DPI. I have it set to 1600, I believe. I don't have the app installed, and I don't think I'll need it. It's the second level, which I believe is a 1600 or 1200, but it's very, very manageable. I'm a relatively low sense player, so I don't need a high sense. And here's the button, or you can select modes like 2.4 gigahertz and a Bluetooth version. Here's where the dongle goes in, and the charging things right here. Pretty light Attack Shark right here, and I just wanted to show you guys the actual charging thing right here. So it's got RGB on it. Here's where the dongle goes in, which is relatively close to the mouse when it's on desk, which is a plus. And when you're charging it, you just basically put it, sorry about that, basically it's magnetic. So see, the diffuser, or basically the indicator, turns on, and there's also an indication on the dock itself, which I believe should change color when it's fully charged. And you just put it on the desk, you take it out, and you can use it right here like this. Pretty light, very good. I'm pretty satisfied with this for now. I'm gonna test it out in a game, see how it goes.